my name is Callie Lindy, and today I'm going to be showing two math problems using base 10 blocks to kind of get your answer. So the first problem we're going to do is an addition problem, and then the second is a division problem. I'm saying using base 10 blocks. I do not have base 10 blocks. I'm just using common items from around the house. So for example, for my ones, I just have soda tabs just from the tops of soda cans for my ones. And then I have paper towels kind of rolled up for my 10 stick. I just kind of cut them and I made them so they look like a 10 stick, kind of like the 10 cubes would look. And then for my hundreds or my flat, I just have simple brown little envelopes for that. So let's go ahead and get started for the math problem. So our math problem is 256 plus 165. So the first step is laying out the first number. So we have 256, which is 2 flats for the 200, as you see right here. And then we have 5 tens, and then we have 6 ones. And then now that we have that laid out, let's double check. So we have 256, and then we're going to go ahead and add 165. We're going to go ahead and lay that out as well. We have 1 flat for 100, and then we have 6 tens right here, and then we have our 5 ones for 165. So the first step is to start with our ones over here. We're going to try to make a group of 10. So it's 6 plus 5. So let's go ahead and add them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that makes a 10 stick. So we're going to go ahead and take that and then carry that over to the tens place. And then we have 1 left over. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and write a 1 in the ones place because that's how many we have left. And then let's count our tens now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sticks of 10 is 100, which is one of our flats. We're going to go ahead and sub that out for one of our flats. Move that over here. And then we have 2 tens left. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is write a 2 in the tens spot. And then now let's count our flats of 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. So we're going to go ahead and write a 4 in the 100 spot. So this answer says we get 421, just like our base 10 blocks show here. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 400. 2 sticks in the 10, so 21. 421. And that's the addition problem. And let's go ahead and move on to the next problem, which is our division. So our division problem for today is 549 divided by 3. So the first step, as the addition was, we're going to go ahead and lay out that number 549. So we're going to lay out 5 flats of 100 because there's a 5 in the 100 spot. And then we're going to lay out 4 10 sticks for the 10 spot. And then we have 9 ones in the 1 spot. All right. So the first step in dividing is we are dividing by 3. So we're trying to make groups of 3. So we're going to go see how many groups of 3 can we get out of 5. So let's start with our hundreds over here. 1, 2, 3. There's 1 group of 3 and we have 2 left over. We cannot make another group of 3 because we do not have another flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow and we're going to split these into our 10 sticks to see if we can make groups of 3 with our 10 sticks. So we'll do one at a time. So we have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for one of these. I'm going to add that to it. Come over here, and we're going to get another set of 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put them in our 10 sticks, and then set that over here. So now let's see how many groups of 3 we can make with 10s. There's 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3, 6 groups of 3, 7 groups of 3, and then 8 groups of 3. And this works out evenly because we have 8 groups of 3 with none left over. So now that we have that, we know that's set, we're going to go ahead and move to our 1 spot. How many groups of 3 can we make out of 9? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 group right here. And then we're going to do it again. And then that is nice and even. So we have 3 groups of 3 in the 1 spot. So dividing, how many groups of 3 can we get out of 5? We can get 1 group of 3 out of 5. How many groups can we get after we borrowed our 2 flats and 2 our 10s? We can get 8. So we have 8 groups of 3 in our 10 spot. And then how many groups of 3 can we get in our 9 spot? Which is 3. So we're going to write that in this spot as well, in the 1s. So our answer for this, 549 divided by 3, is 183, because we have 1 stack of 3, 8 stacks in the 10s of 3, and then we have 3 stacks from 9 here. And that is how you can use base 10 blocks with common items at home. I hope this helped you. Thank you.